Now let's discuss a bit of tough problem where friction is also there. Okay, a block of 0.5 kg moves from point C, okay, with speed 3 meter per second towards a spring of natural length 1 meter, okay, and the spring constant 2 Newton per meter. The part OB is rough. This is rough part, okay, and find the total distance through which the blocks move before it comes to rest. Okay, so let us divide the problem into three parts. First part is B to C, sorry, C to B. Second part is B to A, and third part is O to A to O. Okay, three parts: C to B, B to A to O. So in the first part, B and C, this part is smooth. Okay, this is smooth. So velocity won't change. No friction is there, so velocity won't change. So velocity at B and velocity at C are equal. So when the particle in the block is at B, the velocity will be 3 meter per second itself. Okay. So let's come to the BA part. Okay. BA part. AB is rough. Kinetic coefficient of kinetic friction is given. So why we are not using the static friction coefficient? Because the body is not static, it is moving. So that's why you're using kinetic friction coefficient. Okay. So the velocity when it reaches can be given by, let's see. Let the velocity at A be VA. Okay. So the final kinetic energy here is half m VA square. Initial was half m VV square. And who is doing the work? The velocity is decreasing, someone is doing some negative work. Who is doing it? Friction. Okay, friction. So displacement is in this direction, right? Displacement is in this direction, and friction force is acting opposite. Friction always opposes the relative motion between two surfaces, so that is why negative. Okay, so now put the values accordingly. Acha, what is n? What is n is mg, okay, the normal reaction, and the length of AB. So you can calculate. VA comes out to be this. So now the final part, AO, okay, A to O. So when the particle is at A, its velocity is this. So in between A and O, the particle will stop. Okay. Here both friction and spring force will oppose it. Okay. So look at this. How are we solving this? So when the particle stops, the spring will be at its maximum compression. So the final velocity will be 0. This is quite clear. We have discussed this earlier as well. The initial velocity VA, so kinetic energy is half m VA square. Okay. So who is doing work here? First of all, friction is doing work and spring force. Spring force is in this direction and displacement is in this direction. That's why negative. Both are doing negative work here. Okay. So finally, we get this equation again. Normal reaction is equal to mg. It is on a plane surface. So put the values accordingly and you will get the result. Okay. Again, neglecting the negative sign because x is positive. So the total distance will be x plus AB plus BC, that is 4.24 meter. I hope this is clear. Any doubts? You can leave a comment. Thank you.